What's going on, guys? It's Greg here, aka NYPrepper. It is Wednesday, September 13th, 2023, and I have some breaking news to share with you guys. Overnight last night, Ukraine hit Russia's Black Sea fleet with cruise missiles and was able to damage a Kilo class submarine by the name of Rostov on Don and a Rapucha class amphibious landing ship by the name of Minsk that were in a dry dock getting repairs done. Okay, so Ukraine launched 10 cruise missiles at the Russian Black Sea Fleet. They were specifically targeting a shipyard where a bunch of Russian ships were undergoing repairs. Russia's claiming that 7 out of those 10 cruise missiles they intercepted, and 3 of them hit targets. And like I said, one Kilo class submarine by the name of Rostov on Don was destroyed, and a Rapucha class amphibious landing ship by the name of Minsk was destroyed. Okay, so this is huge, guys. Okay, Ukraine overnight destroying a Russian submarine and an amphibious landing ship. This is absolutely huge news. And we know that Vladimir Putin holds his Black Sea fleet dearly, so we'll have to wait and see if Russia retaliates for this. But huge victory for Ukraine overnight last night. And we also have some breaking news. Vladimir Putin has already met with Kim Jong-un. And here we have a video of them meeting in person. You can see Vladimir Putin shaking Kim Jong-un's hand. And I want to read to you a little bit of what Kim Jong-un said. So, Kim Jong-un said that Russia has undertaken a holy fight to protect its security. I support all decisions of Vladimir Putin. The Russian Federation and the DPRK will always be together in the fight against imperialism. The DPRK supports all of Putin's decisions and believes that Russia has risen to a sacred struggle to protect its security. Okay, so very, very strong words from Kim Jong-un. And, what's very interesting about this meeting here and what Kim Jong-un said, basically pledging allegiance to Russia and Vladimir Putin. Guys, this is biblical, okay? The book of Revelation talks about the kings of the East, which will amass a 200 million man army and march on to Israel and the Holy Land and fight with the Europeans and with Jesus himself. Okay, and the Bible says that the kings of the East will be led by Gog, and Gog is the leader of Russia, and he's going to lead the Magog alliance and also the kings of the East. Okay, these are countries in the Asia region that are going to make a huge army of 200 million men, plus the Magog alliance, which is going to include Iran and North African countries, and they're all going to go after Israel, okay, together. So this is biblical, guys. This meeting right here between Vladimir Putin and Kim Jong-un is biblical, and it is a sign of the times. And we also have some strange news coming out of Mexico. The Mexican government displayed what they say are alien bodies that they recovered, and these are over 1,000 years old, and they're basically mummified. And so the Mexican legislature held a UFO slash alien session the other day, sort of like how we did a few weeks back over the summer. And in this session, they revealed these mummified or fossilized alien corpses. Okay, I'm going to play this video for you. And this is really bizarre. I don't know what to make of it, but they say that these are over 1,000 years old, and they were retrieved from Cusco, Peru. Okay, that's where they found these. Okay, so here we have the Mexican legislature here, okay, taking the covers off of these boxes that show these alien corpses that have been fossilized. And there you have it, guys. So I don't know what to make of this. I wanted to just share this with you, and you can make up your own mind. I'll let you guys watch the entire video so you can get a close-up look and decide for yourself what you think this is. I thought I would share it with you. Is this real? Is this BS? I don't know. I'm just sharing this with you, but very interesting how all of a sudden we're seeing all these governments around the world pushing the alien agenda. Okay, it was first the US with all the UAP hearings and the whistleblower hearings, and now we have apparently alien corpses that have been fossilized that the Mexican government is showing off. Okay, and here's another video for you so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so I'm not sure what to make of this. Like I said, um, I'll leave it to you guys, but I wanted to just report this to you. Major breaking news overnight: Ukraine hitting the Russian Black Sea Fleet. They hit a shipyard and they destroyed a Kilo class submarine and a Rapucha class amphibious landing ship. Vladimir Putin meeting with a king of the East, Kim Jong-un. Okay, Kim Jong-un pledging total allegiance to Vladimir Putin, and alien corpses being displayed in Mexico. So I'll keep you guys updated, but that's pretty much all I got for now. Take care, God bless, and don't forget the 3 Ps: prepare, practice, and persevere.